Hey guys, Heri from Tweed here, coming to you from this magical place called Leipanajek on Var Island in the Faroes. On this day, in 2008, 17 years ago, we released the album Land. It was recorded at Joensen Studios by the amazing Jacob Hansen himself. It might be our most epic album. I think it has a very unique sound, as we were trying to steer away from the overly progressive direction of the previous album, Ragnarok. Land is still a bit progressive, but in a more basic and brutal way. Land contains the highest amount of traditional Nordic melodies of any of our albums. The lyrics on Land come in 4 languages: Faroese, English, Icelandic, and Old Danish, from the late 18th century, sometimes mistaken for Norwegian. The title track, Land, is at 16 minutes and 19 seconds, the longest song we have ever made. Follow the link and listen to Land again if you must. Until next time, cheers.